Alright guys, Charles Osman here, Liquid Blue Cabarete, in Cabarete, actually in the bay. So, I'm out here, I'm going to show you guys how to start a sinking board or a prone board, something that's probably around 30, 40 liters, maybe even 50 liters, or a little bit more. So this board is 4.6, 33 liters. Basically, it sinks completely when you put it down under you. So to do this, you need to have a special technique on how to get out of the water efficiently, or else you're going to be working a lot. Basically, just like when you're on your normal board, you're going to be on your knees to start off. And what you're going to want to do, if you see here, is put your knees on each extreme of the board, because that's going to help you give balance. And then you're going to have your heels or your feet at the end of the board. So you're gonna have your two knees and then your 2 feet together at the bottom. And essentially here, you're gonna want to be comfortable keeping that board under you balanced. And you can simply sit in the water and sort of just hold it to practice. I'll show you right now. So I put my both hands, get my feet on, and I want to keep this board steadily under me. Now, without having the wing in my hand, it makes it a lot more complicated because I'm sitting in chop. But in any case, if I can maintain this position, that's pretty good. You see that the nose is out of the water, because I'm going to want to make sure that some of the board is out of the water to make it easier when I want to get up. In any case, I'm going to flip over my wing and I'm going to show you how it's done. So I got my wing, got my board, push my board under me, and I'm going to grab my wing for stability. So from here, I should be able to be pretty stable. I should be able to be pretty stable with the wing being pushed down in the water and me controlling the board with my knees underwater. From here, I'm going to want to bring the wing above me, and right when I bring it above me, I'm going to want to start working, pumping my way out and keeping my nose right out of the water. Stand up, pop, 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 power, power, and we're going. Let's get on a wave here so we can talk. So essentially, once you get that board out of the water, you're really going to need to work it to just get going. But once you have the nose out and the board's floating above the water, that's when you're going to want to stand and really work to get standing. In any case, that's how it's done. I'll do a better explanation probably on the beach, but this is it for now. Enjoy and good luck. Riding the small boards is where it's at. Big boards are fun, but small board, small foil, you get a lot of freedom. Get to ride some swell and just have it nice and chill. I'm on a 1280 Phantom, 33 liter board, 4.6, rocket surf, and a 4.2 wing and maybe 20 knots of wind. Perfect. Perfect setup. Now go out, have fun. And the interesting thing is that this is the same board that I use for prone foiling when going surfing, and the same foil. In any case, I'm getting into a little bit of people, so to be safe, I'm just gonna turn this off, pump my way back out, have some fun. You guys got so much swell. Nice little glides. There we go. All right, guys, that's it. Have a good day. Try riding a small board. All you need is the right technique, and from there it's possible. Wrong technique is going to be very difficult. Practicing your balance, being on your knees, sinking the board, this is key. and then having a good way to get up off of your knees, and also closing the wing with power without losing balance. It's the key. So, with that being said, let's have a good one. Let me just give you guys a little glimpse of the spot. Bunch of kiters. Not that many people up in the bay. A little cloudy, but good wind. And a little bit of swell. Not big, but has a little bit of power to push you. Get past some of this. 1, 2, right here. Whoop. Hold the chop. Whoop, 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 whoop. I'll let this video keep playing so you guys can see how it's done. Oh man, some nice chop. Woo! That's a nice one. But where do we get another? The thing that sucks about this chop out here is that it brings me to Kite Beach when I'm trying to go up. So, got to stop, pack my weight. For the video, and he got it for the video. So there you guys go. Oh, your rig trying to show off now, but it's fine. You see how I'm holding the wing?